Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the communication method on your PS5 controller from Bluetooth to USB. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So that is right, you can easily change the communication method with your PS5 controller from Bluetooth to USB, and this will provide you an uninterrupted signal when you're gaming. So by default, your controller is set to Bluetooth. Even if you have it plugged in via a USB cable, it will not switch over automatically. You have to go through the menus and to the settings and change this over. Otherwise, you will still be connected with that Bluetooth signal, and you can drop connection and your signal may be interrupted. So let's go over to my PS5 right now and I'll show you what you need to change. So on the home screen right now, let's go to the top and go over to settings. Now scroll down and go to accessories. Then go down to controllers and go to the right and go to communication method. So right now it's set to use Bluetooth. Now you cannot do this with your PlayStation 4 controller, the DualShock 4. It will not work. This is only with the DualSense PS5 controller. So let's select this and go to use USB cable. Now when your PlayStation 5 controller is plugged in via the USB cable, it will use the USB cable, not Bluetooth. So when your controller is not plugged in, you will still be able to use it in the Bluetooth mode, but this will provide you the quickest response time from when you make a signal on your PS5 controller to when actually something displays on the screen. So if you're looking at ways to reduce the latency, this would be a good way to do it. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to the PlayStation 5 coming up next on YourSixStudios.